The kettlebell clean, similar to the kettlebell snatch, is another one where we need to learn how to meet the bell properly before we get into its front rack position. Everything for the setup of the kettlebell clean is going to look the same as the kettlebell swing or the kettlebell snatch variants. So we'll get that good 1.5 foot away from the bell starting position, get our deadlift or squat stance, get that offhand about ready to mirror the working hand. From here, I have that good flat back. I'm going to swing this bell in a straight line upwards to that groin region, which is the good hang position where we're going to do most of our movements from. When I get into that position, I'll swing it up into that good hang position, and when I clean pull it, the same thing is I should be able to generate enough force to have it be that upward momentum all the way up into the front rack position. The finished front rack position will be here with my elbows similar to as though I was in a front squat it, but the difference is with the front squat, we have our hands outside of our shoulders. With the kettlebell, we'll have our hand inside our shoulder like this, and the ball of the bell, the base and the ball of the bell should be supported by this arm here on the outside. So it should have even pressure from the forearm to that outside portion of the bicep and the shoulder. So I'll do one rep here and explain the front rack. That front rack position, I'll get to here. You can see I have some pressure on the forearm, some pressure on the outside portion of my bicep, and some pressure on the outside portion of the forearm, the shoulder. From here, this position, again, that offhand is mirroring, and I'm in this good front rack position. Then, to reset and get into the next clean, I'll punch it outwards and swing it back out to that hang position in that good swing position, right? So for the clean, again, I'm gonna try to meet that bell before I get into my front rack position so it doesn't slam down on my forearm. That'll look like this for the clean. Meet it up as I'm going upwards. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see, again, that bell is not slamming down. I'll do 2 reps incorrectly to show you what I mean. We don't want that at all. That's going to cause bruising of the forearms and the shoulders, and that's not what we want. You should be able to meet the bell in the same place every time as you're coming up into that front rack position. And that's the kettlebell clean.